How to change theme on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change theme on Android phone. First, in open themes, this one here, open it, and now just you need to find any theme you want here, like you need to find the free ones, like this one, and then just click this one, free download. And here all you need to do is just type apply here, and that's it. That's how to change theme on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.